Okay, good morning students. This is the class for 10th standard, subject social and topic name is civics first lesson, Indian Constitution. Okay, wow. So in previous class we have already seen administrative relations and financial relations and also official languages. Okay, wow. To continue that lessons, we are going to see about the next topic, emergency provisions. Okay, wow. In Tamil we can say it in அவசர பாதுகாப்பு நிலை, otherwise அவசர கால நிலை. Okay, wow. So if we take emergency provision mean the first one is national emergency. Okay, wow. The national emergency deals with the article 352. Okay, wow. This article only deals with the national emergency. Okay, wow. So national emergency is nothing but due to any war, okay, wow, and external aggressions, armed rebellion, revolt, okay, in the imminent danger or threat. Okay, but these things from if it is happen in that particular country, okay, in our country means the president can declare emergency, okay, under the article 352. Okay, so they in order to save the India's security, okay, for the purpose of India's security, the president can declare this emergency. Okay, if it is any war, okay, conducted by other side of country and from other countries, okay, by any revolt, okay, and also any threat from the outside of the country. Okay, so if it is in the case, these are the cases mean the president can able to declare emergency under this article 352. Okay, for the purpose of India's security. Okay, so for the first, on the ground of war, okay, or external aggression means in the border side. Okay, anything happen, danger or threat happen in the border side. Okay, so it is national emergency will be declared. Okay, so any war, due to any war, otherwise external aggressions, okay, the national emergency will be declared. That is known as external emergency. Okay, from the outer side, if it is any threat from the outer side of the country, okay, from the outer side of India, okay, from other countries, okay, any external, always any revolt, any war, otherwise any threat from the outer side of the country, okay, the president can declare, that is known as external emergency. Okay, okay, first we see external emergency. Okay, on the other hand of armed rebellion, I already told you that is mean revolt. Okay, that is known as internal emergency. Okay, within the country any revolt, okay, any threat and any danger happen means that is known as internal emergency. Okay, so this is declared 3 times in 1962, 1971, 1975. Okay, this is internal or this is internal emergency can declared in 3 times. Okay, next topic is state emergency, deals with article 356. Okay, so state emergency means in Tamil மாநில அவசர கால நிலை அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, so this emergency declared by under the article 356, declared by president can declare, okay, in the state emergency. Okay, if it is if the governor of the state reports, okay, in the particular state governor reports to the conditions of the state to the president mean the president can declare state emergency. Okay, so within the provisions of the constitution, under the constitution rule, the president can declare state emergency. Okay, next, if the state emergency, if it is possible, if it is go beyond after 1 year mean it is possible only 2 ways. Okay, if it is 2 ways only they can able to extend the state emergency. Okay, what is the first means emergency under article 352 in operation. Okay, in the particular state this article 352 is in operation. Okay, they can able to extend that state emergency. First one. Second one is election commission certifies difficulties in assembly election. Okay, so election committee they can able to, okay, report that there will be a problem in election assembly. Okay, for that only they can able to extend after 1 year the state emergency. Okay, Okay, next, the maximum duration of state emergency. Okay, well, state emergency maximum duration will be 3 years. Okay, next, the state is governed by the governor. Okay, well, the state is ruled by the governor behalf of the president instead of president. Behalf mean instead of. Okay, well, the state is ruled by the governed by the president. President தான் rule பண்ணுவார், govern பண்ணுவார். அவருக்கு பதிலா யார் govern பண்ணுவானா, president can able to govern that state. Okay, well, for the first time the president's rule was imposed in Punjab in 1951. Okay, but for first time in Punjab only the president rule was imposed in 1951. Okay, next topic is financial emergency. Okay, well, this is deals with article 360. Okay, well, if under this article the president can declare financial emergency due to financial stability or credit of India in any parts of its danger. Okay, well, in any parts of India it is a danger in financial. Okay, well, and financial will be not stable means the president can announce declare financial emergency. Okay, well, so if it is in the case of financial emergency, the salaries of government employees such as union and state and includes high and supreme courts of any employment. Okay, public employee, their salaries and allowances, okay, would be reduced by the order of the president. Okay, again I am repeating, the salaries and allowances of the person serving state or union includes high court and supreme courts. Okay, their salary will be reduced, can be reduced by the order of the president. Okay, if it is national financial emergency declared means the public employment of government employees includes state and unions, and also includes high court and also supreme court's persons, their salary will be reduced. Okay, so by the order of president வந்து order போடுவார். Okay, so that is called financial emergency. Okay, so this is not declared in India so far. இது வரைக்கும் நம்ம கண்ட்ரில வந்து financial emergency வந்து not declared பண்ணதே கிடையாது இது வரைக்கும். Okay, thank you students.